Welcome to our channel TechGen Solutions.
In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Netgear Orbi RBK853 AX6000 mesh Wi-Fi system from start to finish. Whether you're installing it for the first time or resetting your network, this guide will help you get seamless, high-speed Wi-Fi coverage in every corner of your home.
Unbox, power on, plug in the Orbi router main unit near your modem, turn on the modem, and wait until it's fully ready. Power on the Orbi router, LED will glow white. Connect Orbi router to modem, use the Ethernet cable, connect modem yellow internet port on Orbi router. Install the Orbi app on your phone, install Netgear Orbi app Android, Play Store, iPhone, App Store, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. Start Orbi setup, open the app, create or sign in to Netgear account, tap set up a new Orbi system, follow on-screen instructions. The app will detect internet connection, configure Wi-Fi name, SSID, password, update firmware automatically. Add Orbi satellites, plug satellites in nearby rooms, wait for LED, blue equals good connection, amber equals fair, magenta equals poor, move closer. Connect your devices to the new Orbi Wi-Fi internet, should now work throughout your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.